All turkey lovers, gather here. Today I'm going to share this amazing turkey recipe you won't regret trying. Let's get into it. Alright, let's start by making a quick brine for the turkey. I will be using some citrus, lime, lemons, oranges. I have some garlic, onion, ginger, thyme, rosemary, sage, and I will be adding some salt, sugar, chicken bouillon, black pepper, and some fresh green seasoning. The green seasoning is basically made up of herbs and aromatics. Most of the ingredients I have in the pot, but only thing, it is blended up. So yeah, I will add it in, and you want to give everything a real good stir. Make sure all the salt and the sugar is dissolved, and you want to remove this from the heat. Basically, you just want to bring the water to a boil, add your ingredients, and turn off the heat. You do not want to boil this. Next, you want to add the brine to a large bowl or whatever you want to store your turkey in, and then we will add some cold ice water. This is just the next half of the liquid we are adding, but you want to add it ice cold so that it can cool down the liquid faster. Once the liquid is cooled down, then we will add the turkey in. And this is about a 10-pound turkey. It's very small. And I spatchcock it because I don't know the last day I've made a chicken or turkey or anything like that in its natural form. I always cut it up or spatchcock it. So yeah, once that is added, you want to just cover it and place it into your refrigerator and let it go for 24 hours. So fast forward to the next day, I did take the bird out the fridge about an hour prior so it could come up to room temperature. I also allowed it to drain on this rack, and then I pat it super dry with paper towels. Now we'll go ahead and make the turkey look presentable and pretty. So here I have some seasonings. I will be using some paprika, chili powder, sazon, turkey seasoning, and some poultry seasoning. Most of these seasonings don't have any salt. Only the turkey seasoning have a little bit of salt in it, and I'm using this kind of sazon just for the color and the flavor. This hardly have any salt. If you use the one in the bottle, that one has a lot of salt, so you don't want to use that one. So here I've added some oil, and we will create a nice little paste to brush over top of that turkey. I also have some butter I'll be using, but we will place the butter into the breast, legs, and the thighs. So you want to just go ahead and coat the turkey really well back and front with that paste that we mixed up, and then we'll put the butter into the breast, legs, and the thighs. Once done, you want to cover the turkey, and we'll place it into a 350-degree oven for about an hour and a half. After an hour and a half, this is what the turkey was looking like. Next, we'll place it back into the oven to brown up for another hour. This time I will lower the heat to about 300 degrees and allow it to cook for an extra hour. And that's it. The turkey is all done. Quick, easy, and simple. And this was absolutely delicious, packed with flavor, and amazing. If you like turkey, you will definitely enjoy this one. And I couldn't go without showing you guys how juicy, moist, and tender this turkey was. I don't know if you can see the juices, but I know you can see the way this pulls apart with ease. It was so flavorful, everything you would want in a turkey if you're a turkey lover. So give this recipe a try and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.